This is the SecuX W20 TrendMicro hardware wallet unboxing and quick review. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Alright, so let's unbox it and see what we got. Here's the hardware wallet itself. There's a carrying pouch. There's some information cards, the manual, and 2 recovery sheets. So on these 2 sheets is where you'd write your recovery phrase. So in case you ever forgot your password, you'd need this phrase to be able to gain access to your hardware wallet. And during setup of the hardware wallet, it will give you your recovery phrase. And you want to make sure you store it somewhere safe so no one else will have access to it, because if anyone finds that, they would be able to gain access to your digital assets. And inside the pouch, there's a micro USB cable. Now as far as the physical appearance of the hardware wallet, there is no change from the original W20 I did a video on a while back. There's a SecuX tamper-proof sticker on the bottom where the charger port is. This new SecuX W20 comes integrated with TrendMicro Chain Safer, which helps keep your digital assets secure even when connected to the internet. So this basically prevents NFT scams and identifies phishing websites and safeguards against hacking. And for those of you who are not sure what a digital hardware wallet is, it's a device used to store your crypto assets offline and off of exchanges to prevent theft or loss to hacking. You can basically use a hardware wallet like this to securely store your digital assets. This SecuX W20 hardware wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, although I should point out that they do mention transaction risk check is only supported with Ethereum for now. This hardware wallet also supports MetaMask and Wallet Connect, and has Bluetooth 5 and USB Type-B connectivity. It has a 2.8-inch color touchscreen, and the device itself measures 89.1 by 58.6 by 12.8 millimeters. It's priced just a bit over $100 US, and from my experience, the customer service has been great. I've also done a teardown of the previous W20 hardware wallet, which I'll link in the description for those who are interested, and I'll see you in the next video.